The California coast got bludgeoned by January's king tide. Another in a long string of weather events that hit right at the start of the elephant seal pupping season. What will become of the poor pups born during this extreme storm season? Come with the Curio Cat team as we revisit the seal colonies of California's Central Coast to check up on one of our favorite creatures. King tides are the highest tides of all and typically only happen once a year, sometimes twice. These extreme tides surge around 2 feet higher than regular high tides. The peak of the king tide this year rose to just over 7 feet. Pommeling the beaches with wave after wave of cold Pacific waters. Crashing right up into the cliffs and battering the exposed seals. The colonies are all crammed together on these slivers of beaches, with some seals even pushing up into the dunes to escape the waves. And even some trying to squish into the cliff faces. When spending time on the beaches during mating season, the elephant seals don't eat, living only off of their blubber. And to conserve energy and water, they barely breathe, so fighting these waves is especially taxing for them. But the real dangers are for the newborn pups. These pups can't survive in the open ocean until they're at least several weeks old. They just don't swim well. And they don't have enough blubber to keep them warm in these 50-degree waters. In mild weather seasons, it's estimated that about 5 to 7% of the pups will perish. But in stormy seasons like we had this year, up to 20% of the babies can be lost. Another danger for the pups is separation from the mother, leading to starvation if they aren't able to find a surrogate. It's been an intense few days. Feeling very helpless, watching the surge swarm the seal colonies. And though we found around 4 or 5 pups that lost their lives during this ordeal, there was a light at the end of the tunnel as the king tide began to recede. We found several other beaches that had much larger sand areas available for the colonies. And for the 4 to 5 seal babies we saw that had perished, we actually found hundreds that were thriving. With the seal moms stepping up to help out with stranded or lost pups. And though the seal moms and pups were shaken and exhausted after enduring 3 days of relentless, frigid waves, they finally found time to rest, recuperate, and bask in the warmth of the sun. leaving us with renewed hope for this next generation of great northern elephant seals.